Hey guys, just shooting a quick video to show you the best applications and the best extensions that you can use when you are sourcing products on Amazon.com. So first of all, I'm gonna go and choose a category, and I'm gonna show you which ones are the best categories to source from. So when you are sourcing products, you want something that are replenishable and have got high demand. And I will also show you a tool that we use, a software that we use called Jungle Scout, which explains how to find profitable products. But the categories that you want to be looking at are appliances. We can look at baby products, beauty and personal care. I would skip the books, although there is a lot of money to be made on them too. But you can open a store just on books if that's the niche you want to be selling on. And then I skip all the clothing and everything because there is too much competitiveness in there of a lot of brands. And then you can look at I wouldn't list anything with electronics, digital music, credits and payment cards. So we want to look at garden and outdoors, which is probably what I'm going to be sourcing on now because we've been on summertime. A lot of people spend a lot of time in the garden. So that is definitely a category where you want to be sourcing in this particular season in summertime. Then if you are ungated on grocery and gourmet food, and by the way, I highly advise you to get ungated on the restricted categories on Amazon because that's where there is less competition. Other good categories are the home and kitchen category because again, these are replenishable products which people buy all the time. So home and kitchen, home and business service, no health and household, baby care. Then we can look at sports and outdoor, pet supplies is a really good niche as well. Sports and outdoor, tool and home improvement, toys and games, absolutely. So right now I'm gonna go and find some products from the home and garden and outdoors. So I'm gonna click on that category and I'm gonna search for I don't know, barbecue. It's a very broad search. So now I am on this page, and straight away I'm going to be start showing you a few extensions that I've got installed into my Google Chrome, which are free extensions. One of them it's called DS Quick View, and I've also got the paid extension, which is the DS Amazon Quick View Extended. That allow you to see this. Can you see this window that is coming up right now? That gives me the possibility to see what kind of ranking of a product there are. You can see the bestseller ranking history, the price history, the brand of it, all without the need to open the page. And see, you can look at this window and it tells me what is the bestseller rank in here, how many reviews it's got, the weight, dimensions. So I'm gonna quickly go and search products between a range of 500 to about 4,000. But in the home and garden, we have got 20,000 results. So we want to be looking at something that is ranking around the 1,000 mark. So that one to me is a bit too high ranked. That one as well, a lot of competition. We got this particular product here now, and I'm gonna open that up. So the first thing that I look at is the competition, and in here there is well too many people selling it. Although it's one bestseller rank, it's telling me that it sells an average of 3,033 times every month, according to ASIN Inspector, which is another one of the tools that I use. Another one that I use is this one called Scanalize, and I also use Repseller, which I need to be logging into, but I won't be doing now because otherwise it's going to show all my emails and everything. So these are some of the extensions that we use. Another important free extension that you must have is Keepa. What Keepa does, it tells me if Amazon is a seller, and in this case Amazon is always been selling this product. It tells me how long this product has been on Amazon for, 679 days. And we can check that Amazon has been actually out of stock in a few circumstances since November 2016, but after that it's always been in stock. Why am I particularly looking at Amazon? Because when Amazon is on a listing, they get the majority of the buy box. But again, because there are 41 people here selling this particular product, There is too much competition. All right. So how would I go if I want to find this product? I would probably grab the title and put it on Google, as simple as that, and try and find suppliers for it. All right, so I'm gonna go on Google, paste that, and it will tell me where I could buy these products. Okay, so looks like we could get it from here. The next thing you want to do is clicking on the shopping tab here, and here is the product. We can get it for $99. Obviously we wouldn't be competitive enough to sell on Amazon in this case, because it's actually selling for 89, but you can see that there are people selling it for a lot more than that. And if you open that, use a new from 80, you can see that all the other sellers are selling for much more. So if I want to make a 15% return on investment on it, I probably would multiply 99 by 1 times 30, and my minimum price would be 128, which would make me really competitive across these guys, which they have also got a tremendous amount of shipping. So we would have to check if this supplier ships free or not. But going back here, we can click on shopping to see if there are other people selling this particular product. You can see similar products in here. Let's have a look at the picture there. It seems pretty much like that one. It's not showing us the right product here. It seems that one is like that one, 3, 2 there, no. And so it's bringing me some different products in there. So I'm gonna get back here, and I'm actually going to click on the product itself, and I'm going to right click on the picture, search Google for this image, and again obviously it's going to show me that it's selling on Amazon.com, as Amazon.co.uk as well, and also Target sells it, Menards sells it. So you can see that it's sold at Target for $99.99. You can see that it's sold at Menard as well here. So you could get it from Menard as well, $88.11. Free ship to store. Wow. So you will be able to also compete with many of these 41 sellers. However, as I told you, these are estimated sales based on the seller ranking, but if you divide that by 41 sellers, these are the number of sales that you can expect from this particular product per person, which is still not bad if you can make, I don't know, $20, $30 of profit in there. So let's say that you get it from Menard, 88.11. You would open the FBA fee calculator, and you would grab the ASIN of this particular product. We want the US one, FBA calculator US. All right, so you're gonna click on that one. I'm going to put the ASIN there, search for that particular product. Let's say that it is selling for, maybe we can compete for $89.21 with Amazon, but, and again, I wouldn't be selling this product because it's got too much competition, but it's just to give an idea of different technique of sourcing. So when you click in there, you can see that the next person is selling it for 147 plus 295. All right, so let's say that 147 plus 245. That's, oops. So 147 plus 245 equals $392. I say that we want to compete with the second best, which would still give us a lot of buy box, and we're buying it for $88.11, and that would give us a return on investment of 54% and net profit of right? $200 multiplied by 73, which is all approximate. It could give us an amount of $14,600 on net profit. However, I doubt that that product sells so many times with so much competition. So this is just to give an example of how easy it is to source a product, finding a supplier and sending it to FBA to make some money. Another way to see if this is a product that you want to be selling on FBA, or if you would like to go on another category and you can check the competitivity of a product. Let's reset ourselves. Let's say that we want baby changing mats. Gonna check for the most broad search word that you can find, and you can use an application called Jungle Scout to tell you if it is a good product to source as maybe private label if you want to create your own brand. So let's wait to see what Jungle Scout says. Here it is, it's loading up now. All right, so one good thing about, let's click that again, about Jungle Scout is that gives you a competitivity or an opportunity score here based on demand versus competition. So this got a high demand with medium competition, however giving us an opportunity score of 7, which I believe that is still really good. And the average monthly sales of this particular product are 911, average sales rank 16,000, sale price, average price $26, average revenue is 567. So we can see that we can sort these columns as we want, and you can see that even if with 2 revenues, this guy is still pulling $779 dollars in sales, and approximate does it give you the approximate sales in here? 52 approximate sales for this particular product. So let's say that this guy is paying this mat for $5, you know, still pulling over $8-9 on net profit times 52. 8 times 52, $416. You know, all you need is 4 of these products, and you are making $2,000 in a profit per month. So these are some of the techniques that we use when we are listing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, like it. If you loved it, subscribe to my channel and share it. Thank you very much for watching.